Congratulations on your purchase of the Cannibal Professional Nibbler, the easiest, safest and fastest way to cut sheet metal and more. Before using the Cannibal, please ensure a safe working environment and personal protective equipment is worn. First, ensure the drill is switched off and disconnected from the power supply. If you wish to reposition the die, simply slacken off the nose cap, rotate the die as desired and then retighten the nose cap. To fit the Cannibal to your drill, insert the drive shaft of Cannibal into the drill chuck. Then check the chuck jaws are not rubbing onto Cannibal's body and retighten the chuck. Before cutting, check the material does not exceed the stated capacity of the nibbler. Give the material a quick wipe down to remove any debris and bench mount either it or the nibbler to ensure safe cutting. Apply a smear of grease or cutting fluid along the cutting line. Connect the drill to the power supply and switch it on. Always ensure it is running when you meet the material being cut. Do not start the drill while the nibbler is being held up against the material. Hold the drill and Cannibal handles firmly as you cut, but do not force the cutting rate through the material. Leave the drill running while you remove the nibbler upon completion of cutting to prevent the die from sticking or breaking in the material.